Conference on Interaction and Confidence Building Measures in Asia, which is a very unique organization stretching on a huge area from the Pacific to Mediterranean and from the North Arctic Sea to the Indian Ocean. The main principle is also equality. We have very inclusive approaches because all states are equal, all states has their own right, and all decisions within the SICA are taken by consensus. We have also flexibility. Our member states voluntarily participate in the implementation of the confidence building measures. So this is the two unique situation that SICA in its own turn contributing to the Asian security architecture, and by that, because of the Asia is a most populous continent, the largest continent in the world, and nowadays Asia become the economic driver and technological driver, and I'm pretty much sure that with the new global initiatives of Asian countries, Asia will take its own place in the world's political system and will play a significant role in ensuring the global security.